Hey guys, Micah Leao here with the iMarketslive video on the IML bounce back strategy. So I seen a question in the Facebook on, people can't get in front of their computers to take the trades and they can't manage it. Well, you can seriously do everything from your phone, and everything is apps, right? And so you can trade in the movies, you can trade at work, you can basically trade wherever you are. I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's real simple. So you're going to need a few apps. Of course, the MetaTrader 4. You're going to need TradingView. You're going to need Telegram, and another thing people use is called the call levels, right? Well, and I won't go through that on this video. So I just want to show you how to take the bounce back trades on in this video. So when you pop up Telegram, you'll see this is where we get all our alerts, right? Our notifications that, hey, a IML bounce back trade came out. So all you're simply gonna do is log into bounce back from your phone. Now, as you can see, we just had a call, the odd JPY, on the 1 hour time frame. As a bounce back trader, that's all we really need to know. It's a sell on the 1 hour time frame, odd JPY. So from here, we go to our trading view. And when you open your trading view app, if it's on a different pair, all you got to do is click here and type in odd JPY, and boom, it comes up. So again, it's on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, so I'm gonna actually flip my phone so I can get it sideways so we can get a clearer picture. So there you can see, right, the hour time frame. Now, as bounce back traders, what do? We drop down to the 15-minute to draw our trend line. And there you go. So we click for the trend line, get it on the chart, and we draw our trend line right like that. Okay, so next thing we do, drop to the 5-minute, and this is where we wait for our entry, right? When price breaks the trend line, and when the MACD crosses over, we enter the trade. So this is how you're gonna get alert for your trade. So you're gonna click on the trend line on the 5-minute chart or whatever chart you're gonna enter in. So if it's on a 4-hour alert, right, you're gonna drop down to the 30-minute to draw your trend line, the 15-minute for entry. So if you're doing that, you put your alert on the 15-minute chart. But because it's a 1-hour alert, you drop down to the 15 for the trend line, and then you drop down to the 5 for your entry, and that's where you're going to put the alert. So you're going to put the alert right on your trend line. So you're going to tap the trend line. There's the alert button, and we're going to do it crossing down because we're in a sell, and we're going to create. And that's basically it, right? That's basically it. So when price or the candle breaks the trend line, you're going to get an alert. The third thing you got to do is when you get that alert, all you're looking for is the MACD to cross over. And when you get that, you do a market execution. And let me show you how to do that. So I'll flip you back around. MetaTrader 4, there's your odd JPY. There you go. And then you either sell or buy. So in this instance, we'll sell. Boom, hit sell, and you're done. Very, very simple. It might take you a few times to get used to it, but that's how you enter the bounce back trades strictly from your phone. No desktop. You don't have to. You can do it walking around wherever you are. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informative. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you'll see me in the Facebook group. Until the next one, aloha, stay blessed, and keep it rocking.